I'm April Proudfoot, independent Avon representative in Midland, Michigan, and I serve clients in Midland, the Tri-Cities, and throughout the United States. So I have a question for you. Have you ever thought about becoming an Avon representative? Just a little bit. Well, I have some topics that I want to talk with you about that will answer your questions. How you can get started on your dream gig in just a few simple steps. And you can do this part-time, you can do it full-time, online or in person. You can sell Avon anywhere, basically. And it only takes a few minutes to join, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1, tell us a few details like your name and your email address. That'll get you started. And then number 2, you'll love our top trending beauty. You'll share out your free personal online store link with all of your friends and family. And then number 3, you start selling. You can score special extras and get on the path to big earnings. Are you ready to start earning now? I'm going to leave the link so that you can fill out the registration form after this video. Now, I want you to know that we give you everything you need to succeed. And here are some topics that I'm going to touch briefly on. And you'll have access to tools to manage your business 24/7. And you can personalize your free online store, then text, email, and share the link on social with your friends and family for instant sales. Plus, you can sell anywhere and anytime with our mobile app. Now, your cell phone is your mobile office. So wherever you take your cell phone, you take your Avon business. And you can learn tips to network like a pro. You will explore dedicated training in Avon U to learn about the products, how to make the most of your digital store, and promote your beauty business. Now, there are amazing Avon representative benefits available to you when you become an Avon representative. You get access to exclusive Avon perks, including special offers for affordable health insurance for you and your family, tuition discounts for online higher education, and tons more. Plus, you'll get insider access to the LG Partner Store with discounted up to 25 to 40% off world-class LG TVs, computers, appliances, and tons more. And on a personal note, I bought my husband and myself a Dell laptop computer with my discounts, and we actually ended up buying 2 computers for the price of 1. That's how great this is. You'll also get special gifts as an Avon representative. So when you place your first order as a representative, Avon will send you a free full-size gift. You can even earn a $10 credit for your next order. There are so many earning opportunities with Avon, and with our special incentive program for new representatives, you can earn 30% commission on your beauty sales when you sell $100 or more, and score up to $1,550 in free products when you hit $500 in sales. As your business grows, you can even score trips with friends to fabulous destinations like Maui, Los Cabos, Cape Canaveral. I'm currently earning a trip to Cancun. And you want to get started? Again, I'm going to leave you the link. So here are some frequently asked questions. You might be asking yourself, how much does it cost to start selling Avon? And right now, you can become an Avon representative and start selling immediately by signing up for free, or making a $5 contribution to the American Cancer Society, or by signing up for $30 and picking a special starter collection packed with $100 plus worth of best-selling products. And your sign-up comes with a free online store to help you get started strong, as well as extras like Avon perks, a discount program for Avon representatives with loads of exclusive offers on, again, health insurance, tuition discounts, and lots more. And access to the LG Partner Store discount of up to 25 to 40% off LG products. What do you get with your Avon sign-up, and what do you need to get started? Well, you get a full on-instant business with easy-to-use tools and support to help you crush your goals, and you'll have your own free online store that customers can shop 24/7. You get access to special perks and so much more. You may be thinking, okay, I've never done this before. I've never sold anything. How will Avon support me and my success? Well, you can take advantage of our free best-in-class Avon training for learning on the go. Check in with your team leader. That could be me if you sign up with me, who's dedicated to supporting your success. You can reach out to the Avon Care Center. There are specialists there, and you can ask them your questions. And you can tap into your growing network of Avon representatives for invaluable advice. I bet you're wondering how you're going to find new customers. That's always the first question they ask me. Well, you start by reaching out to your network and let them know you've just started your business with Avon. And you can personalize your free online store. Then you send your link and exclusive offers to those who may be interested. You can post about your own experience with the products and the fashion and things and share why you love them on your social channels so that you get the word out there. You spread the word. And be sure to let potential new customers know about your Avon live shopping events and monthly sweepstakes too. So how do you get paid by Avon? Well, getting paid is really simple. You place your order on behalf of your customers in your back office website, and you'll learn the difference between the discounted amount you pay and the full price your customers pay. And then once you receive an order from your online store, you'll be prompted to set up your Avon wallet to get earnings soon. You might be thinking, do I have to place orders every month with Avon? And is there a minimum order amount? Well, number one, there are no minimums. However, successful representatives share their free personalized online store every campaign, and they see more sales in earnings because they share products and promote their businesses regularly. Now, there are incentive programs for representatives, and they are subject to change, so just be aware of that. But currently, in your first 8 campaigns, and a campaign is a 2-week selling period, those who join earn up to 30% commission, 5% extra on your beauty sales when you sell $100 or more in a campaign, and up to $1,550 in free products when you hit $500 in sales during that incentive period. So now I'm going to leave you the link to fill out the registration form. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to DM me or PM me, and I'll be happy to answer them. And I might also add that right now is an opportune time to sign up with Avon because Christmas is only a few weeks away, and my customers are already getting their shopping done early. So this is a great time to make extra money for Christmas. I will be looking forward to working with you, and remember, Avon makes your life beautiful. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.